And now that we have our little flowers put together and our bows made, we're going to put them together to complete the corsage. So here I'm going to use my largest flower at the bottom of the corsage and my largest ribbon. So I'll put them together closely, and I'll use my floral tape again. Winding all the way down to the bottom of the wire. I'll take my next biggest flower and one of the single loop ribbons and wind that together. And I'll do the same with the next one. I have 5 flowers in this corsage. You might also want to consider who you're making the corsage for. If it's a small person, you might want less flowers. And you also might want to consider making your corsages in a neutral color, because you never know what the other people in the wedding will be wearing. And for the top one, I'm using my smallest flower, and I'm putting the single loop behind it at the top. So that will be sticking up in the back. Wind it all the way down to the wire. Don't let any wires stick out. So now I'm going to put these together, starting with my top one. And I'll arrange them together tightly. And again with the florist tape, wind them together. And the next one off to the side. A small corsage like this could also be used for a child. And I'm using my largest flower with the largest bow at the bottom. Since they have wire on them, you can pull them a little bit, spread them out, or make them into a design. And then I'm going to use my ribbon again, winding all the way down, overlapping. And winding slightly back up again at the bottom to leave a nice tip, and tie it off. So that the ribbon doesn't fall off. And I'm going to take my pen and curl the end. With a corsage of this size, I recommend putting in 2 corsage pins, because you don't want it to be falling over.